Today we're going to review the HITORHIKE camping cot. I've been looking to add one into my winter camp arsenal for a while now. I finally got one, and today we're going to set it up and take a look at it. Good afternoon, folks. You wouldn't be able to tell by the green grass around me, but it is December 7th here in Minnesota. Believe it or not, winter camping season is around the corner. And I thought I'd do a quick setup of a new item I got, which is the HITORHIKE portable camping cot. To give you an idea of how big it is, I've got a standard 32 ounce Nalgene bottle here. So 1, 2, I would say about a third in diameter larger than the Nalgene. This came to me yesterday. It came with a little pack that, I don't know if you're supposed to stick stuff in it or what. I don't know where it goes. I won't be taking this. And then it came with the sleep eye shade that, you know, they give out on airplanes or block out all the light. I will not be taking this either. I'm going to be doing a January trip into the Boundary Waters this year, probably about the middle of January. And I wanted, in previous years, what I've done is just lay a tarp on the ground and a sleeping pad and sleep on that. I thought it would be nice to do an actual lighter weight cot, just to get off the ground a little bit. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll work out well though, because I have an insulated sleeping pad that's rated at like a 9.8 R value. But yeah, let's get this thing set up. One other thing, it comes in at a weight of 4.4 pounds. So it won't add too much weight to the sled. I'm actually redoing a new sled this year too, so I'm confident I can actually carry a little more weight when I go in there this year. So I will adjust the camera angle, we'll start getting it set up, and we'll take a look at it and talk about how it feels when you lay down on it. Thanks. Alright, so right here I've got some Reflectix. This is kind of another operation I'm going to be doing this year. I wanted to see how many rolls I'm going to need. This year when I go up to the Boundary Waters, I'm going to be sitting on the ice and drilling a hole in this house so I can ice fish. We'll have the stove going. That way I really have to never leave if I don't want to. So here's the bed, cot I should say. It's pretty easy to set, put together. I actually did it already once inside my house. So that way I didn't look like an idiot if I had problems the first time. On video, it comes with 5 of these legs. These are basically just aluminum like tent poles. So we'll stick these over to the side. And then it comes with 2 more style aluminum tent poles that are going to go down the sides of the hammock. Yeah, I actually have the tent stove going in here right now. It is a chilly 35 degrees out today, man. It is a damp cold here. I would rather it actually be like 15 degrees than have to deal with this cold, damp air that we get sometimes. There we go. So you can only insert the poles into one end of this. I think they do that so it's not sliding out. I'm trying to do this in such a way, it's way easier in my house. I'm trying to do this in such a way where it captures on video good so you can actually see what I'm doing. See, there are these holes going down the sides here. As you keep it pushed down, it goes all the way. Alright, once you get it all the way inserted, there's a little, push the pole in and move it off to the side, and it'll be held by a little tuft of fabric up here. First thing is always a son of a bitch. There we go. There. Okay. This one in. So the reason I wanted to do this review, actually, I was trying to find videos of this on YouTube, or any video review for that matter, of this put together and somebody laying on it, because there was one guy on YouTube that had a video, and according to him, he doesn't like to camp anyway, so it was kind of a odd review. So anyways, these poles right here, you snap one side in, do a little tension, and it goes like that. Now it's secure. You basically do that for all 5 legs. Where's the last one? There it is. Trying to. There we go. Alright, good to go. So here's the plan, man. Have it on a bed of Reflectix. I'm camping on the ice. I'm actually going to do the whole floor in here with Reflectix, I think, except for the spot where the ice hole is. But I'll back off the camera a little bit. Actually, I don't know if I need to. No, I don't. So I am over 6'2", about 6'2 and a half. And this fits me perfectly. My feet have about 2 inches. My head is right at the top here. You're any taller than 6'2", you might start to run out of room. But I mean, this thing feels nice and sturdy. Yeah, I like it. So one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab a sleeping pad I'm going to use and put it on and see how it matches up. Alright, so I think this is going to work perfect. This is my Lightspeed self-inflating pad that I've got here. It's a 3-inch thick insulated pad. It fits this cot perfectly. This pad is rated to, I was wrong earlier, it's an 8.7 R value, which is pretty darn good. I've slept on this pad on the ground in 38 below zero, and I was totally fine. Obviously with good sleeping bags, but still. So I'm pretty confident this is going to keep me plenty warm, especially even when the stove dies out here in the middle of the night. But yeah, pretty comfortable. Really comfortable, actually. Anyways, this is my new system. I will shoot more video of it probably when I'm actually up in the Boundary Waters here come January. But I'm just trying to get everything tested out now before I get up there to make sure everything is the way I want it. I do have a new stove, which I might be doing a video for as well. You never know. But anyways, yeah, this is the HITORHIKE ultralight camping cot, which comes in at 4.4 pounds. Probably not something you'd want for backpacking, but you know, winter camping when you're dragging a sled, I think it's going to be perfect. So thank you very much.
I ordered this cot, and this is how the packaging came. I hope everything is in here because it looks like it was a return package. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Like, why would you send someone that's spending all this money for a cot, a package without a lid on it? Now I'm going to unbox it and make sure everything's here.